Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing and trying out this product right here. This is Brazilian Botox Expert from Nutree Professional. So this was sent for review, and review is exactly what we are going to do. So let's talk about the product a little bit. It does come with this little brochure here. You can see it does have instructions in 4 languages. You can see right here. There are coupons on the back side for some of their hair care systems, but this is just a really deep conditioning. It says right here, this is the product out of the box, by the way. It says anti-frizz hydration reconstruction. This is a thermal multi-control mask with marine collagen, glutamic acid, and prunus oil. So for the instructions here, it says first wash your hair with anti-residue shampoo, pH 9 or more, which I've already done. My hair has been washed. I let it air dry, and that is it. Second step, dry the hair 100%, which it is. And this says to section the hair into 6 parts and apply the product in all the hair. Leave the product on from 30 to 40 minutes in the hair. Then you rinse the hair partly and leave enough product to straighten it with a flat iron. Blow dry the hair with round brush. Section the hair into parts. Flat iron the hair in thin linear strands, about 10 to 15 times each strand after flat iron is ready. You should have a deep, hydrated, and smooth hair. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and section the hair and start putting the product in. I have these babies here, and that's what we're going to use to section it. So let's do it. Okay, so I left a little in the back to start with, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I did take the plastic off the container already and the seal off, so that is what it looks like. It is just a nice white creamy product, and it smells kind of fruity, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have a generous amount of product in my hair. I clipped it in the back. I'm going to leave it on for about 30-40 minutes. When I come back, I'll have it washed out, blow dried, and ready to straighten. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I am back. My hair is dried. It is a little damp, as the product recommends. So far I can say I'm pleased with the results I've gotten so far. My hair is a lot straighter, a lot smoother. So let's go ahead and do the straightening part and see what happens. right, so I am finished with my hair. I think it does look silkier and smoother. I am very pleased with this product and I do recommend it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I think it looks really good. Anyways, I do have the link down below if you are interested in getting this for yourself. Otherwise, that is the end of this video. So please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.